Hi everyone, and I know you won't be able to smell it, but my wife is now heating some bread in our kitchen, and the smell is very tempting. It's very nice. And do you know that the smell of a freshly baked bread is one of the most attractive smell for a human being? In the book of Matthew chapter 4 verse 4, it was mentioned to us that shall not live by bread alone, by the word that come out from the mouth of the Lord. Now, do you have the same satisfaction when you smell or you even taste the word of God, when you read the Bible and you realize that this is the powerful gem or the powerful bread that will satisfy your soul? I hope that you find that reading the word of God will bring you that kind of satisfaction. So continue to read and to enjoy this word of God as if it's a bread of life for every one of us.